I took apart the rotors, and I need to have it so one is stationary, locked to the axle, and then the other rotor is going to be so I can move it like a few degrees each way. And because the idea is, like, normally you'd have two rotors and the magnets are straight across, but I'm going to have the other one, you know, kind of skewed. And I want to find a good angle where it'll cut Lenz's law. And so I just want to show what I'm doing. See, what I did is I kind of cut six-sided hole with a knife into the wood, 2 layers of it, and that's kind of locking the axle to the rotor. Now look at this. This is what I wanted to show. It's very good. The rim. Magnets are a little bit whoopee, but the rim is like doesn't really move. So I got this centered well. Now I'm going to mount another one over here, and I need to make it solid so I can like undo some screws and then just move it over a little bit and then tighten the screws. So kind of rebuilt this thing again because I wasn't happy with it. I did have it running, but it wasn't running very good. I need to make a new timing disc too. I didn't like the timing disc. I had the 16 little magnets. So that's what's going on. Okay, thanks for watching.